What's up, boys? So obviously, you saw the title of this video. I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about some tips on how you can get mini TikTok famous, because I wouldn't consider myself TikTok famous. I'd consider it mini TikTok famous. So in the last 30 days, I really didn't upload it all on YouTube because I wanted to try this little experiment I came up with, which was focusing consistently on TikTok. This was the account. 35,000 followers in 31 days. I noticed it was a lot easier to grow on here than YouTube. It's also a lot easier to make videos because you're only making a video like for 1 minute at a time. Anyways, you probably want to know a little bit about how you can get some followers. So I'm gonna go over that because that's what I was getting to in this video. I'm just really stupid, so I like postponed it for a really long time. Okay, let me just shut up. So first thing you're gonna want to do when starting a new social media account, really in general, is you want to have a hook that's gonna represent everything that you're gonna make on that account. For example, on a TikTok account, if you're gonna make comedy skits, you're gonna want to make your first comedy skit be what's going to represent everything else on your channel. So if you're gonna create characters, you're gonna create setting, you want to be able to then carry those characters and setting out through the rest of whatever you're filming on your TikTok. And you want to make it relatable, because really on TikTok, the thing that is really going to draw people in is relatability. The more things that people relate to on TikTok, the more of a reason they have then to spam the double tap and like everything, you know? Because that's how you end up on the For You page, is the more likes. Well, that brings us into the second point. To end up on the For You page, you're going to want to not spam a million hashtags. Wait, no, that's exactly what you want to do. When starting a new account, you want to use hashtags. You don't want to be like one of those people where they're like, I'm going to get famous by just posting one video and it's not gonna have any caption, nothing. Okay, hashtags is what you gotta do in the beginning to force your videos into those audience views. You have to get hashtags on your videos. I can't stress that enough, how important hashtags are on TikTok. I know hashtags and stuff are kind of pointless on YouTube, and for example, they're really pointless now on Instagram. Instagram's hashtag update was terrible, and you don't pull any views now on Instagram through hashtags. But TikTok, hashtag. Even if the video has the smallest relate to that hashtag, you want to put in that hashtag. And TikTok's really nice for that reason, because they give you 150 characters to then put hashtags and captions and whatever else. So what I usually do is I put like a little sentence or statement about the video, and then I just chuck in a couple hashtags. The hashtags that I use the most on my account would be hashtag FYP smiley face, and hashtag For You page. Those ones are gonna be your #1 hashtags that you're gonna use, and that really applies to any account. So I highly suggest using those hashtags. And don't just use one of them, you wanna combine all three, because on videos where I haven't combined all three, they tend to get less views. So when you combine all three of those hashtags, for whatever reason, they end up getting more views. And now, let's talk about the third and final point. So the third and final point I have for you when it comes to growing a TikTok account is you really just wanna keep connected with your audience. So for example, they make it very easy to link your Instagram, to link your YouTube channel, and they make it really easily to interact with your audience in the comments section. For example, on the beginning of my channel, I had 2 videos that I already deleted because they did terrible, and then my third video ended up really growing. It has 345,000 views now or whatever. I was able to take the people that were commenting in that video, because it was like 100,000 views the second day, 100,000 views the third day, and then it went back down to like 2,000, and then it slowly went back up as I continued to grow. But what you want to do when you get a video at the beginning that pulls in a lot of people is you want to be liking the comments of people that are agreeing with you or commenting positive comments, and then you also want to be engaging with them. So follow my Instagram. If people DM you on Instagram, talk to them. I must have 1 million DMs on Instagram that I've gone through. So as you can see here, a lot of Instagram DMs that I've gone through. Most of these are all from my followers and such. I'm actually kind of surprised that it worked out as well as it did, because honestly, if you guys are a follower of this channel, you'd know I love making videos. I want to do it as a full-time career. I plan on moving to Los Angeles when I graduate high school. All that yada yada fun stuff. But yeah, so honestly, I'm really thankful that I got that on TikTok. I'm thankful that there's people like you that now are watching my YouTube videos. But yeah, I want to keep positive vibes though on the YouTube channel. TikTok link will be in the description if you want to go check it out if you haven't already. Most of my subscribers on here already are from my TikTok account. But I'm super thankful that you guys are still here, and I'm thankful that everything worked out with my little experiment. If this helped you in any way, shape, or form, make sure you hit the like button. Comment down below if you have any questions. I will gladly respond to them, unless if it's a comment that's like, I smelt my hand after I wiped my ass. I'm not gonna respond to that, okay? I might like it just because that's my style of humor, but I don't care. That's pretty much it. I will see you guys next time when I'm off skinny dipping in the child daycare kiddie pool. See ya. Bye.